All right, morning guys. We are inside of the canyons early this morning. Actually, we are inside Malibu today. I want to thank one of my subscribers that actually showed me or told me where to come out. I'm on Malibu Canyon Road today. I wasn't trying to go out to the Snake, but I think that's closed. Not fully sure. So I'm out here. It's like pretty early, 7 o'clock in the morning, Sunday morning. I'm gonna see if I can get a quick run in to see, what's going on. So finally, I have the Focus RS out here today. So I have my transmission, everything else is fixed. I don't have any, I still don't have my wheels and tires, which I'm gonna do another video on that because that's kind of crazy. So I'm still running my off-season tires, so I'm not gonna go too crazy, but I do have a little bit of fun out here today. So yeah, without further ado, we're just gonna jump right into things, have a little bit of fun, go for a drive, and really see what's it like out here on Malibu Canyon Road. It's my first time out here, so without further ado, let's jump right into things. Well, looks like I caught some cars already. this is Mulholland Highway. So these are like people's houses. So I think I'm going to turn back around just because this is like people's houses over here. And yeah, I'm not trying to be a jerk, literally driving with a loud exhaust near people's houses. Malibu Canyon Road. Interesting road. I liked it. It's kind of cool out here still. I like the variety out here. It is a little bit more that these are. So there's a lot of state parks and stuff like that. And you get further down, there's actually like just residential, like people live out there. So gotta be, kind of careful. Don't go too crazy near people's houses. But overall, though, I think it was pretty good. I really enjoyed the run. Had some fun. Looks like it's going to be closed. I had some fun. Got out, got a chance to get some quick driving in. Once again, it's always a great opportunity to get some quick driving in. Yeah, we definitely passed this before. I think I've seen another person do a video on this area as well, like this road. So that's kind of cool. But yeah, guys, it looks like we're going to end the video here. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you like it, give it a like. Follow me on Instagram, OmegaGreed, same name as the YouTube channel. Go to the website, geekswithcars.com. And like that, guys, we are out. out of here, and we'll see you guys in the next video. See ya.